Hi friends, Cheri here from Cheri's Florida Life. We are doing things a little differently on this video. We are doing a more personal video. I'm in my kitchen. Guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to cook. I'm going to make a chicken salad recipe that I found. It's cold salad. Ooh, it's going to be delicious. So I found a really good recipe. Let me show you what I found. Here's what I found. The person who has credit for this recipe is Kim Steffers. This is not my recipe. This is somebody else's. So I'm going to make it and see how it tastes. I have to see what I need first from the grocery store. Here's what it's supposed to look like. So I'm checking my recipe over. I have chicken, I need macaroni, I need mayonnaise, I need celery, and I need an onion. And for the mayonnaise, I need to make sure that it's dairy-free, lactose-free, because my son has a lactose allergy. He cannot have any milk products. So that might be a little bit of a challenge, but we're going to go to the store and see what we can find. Well, I think I have a little bit of a problem. I only have 3 of the 8 ingredients that I need. So that means it's time to go to the grocery store. And hopefully Publix has what I need, the lactose-free mayonnaise. They usually carry it, but it's a hard item to keep around. Let's go see what we can find. We're going to Publix. I really hope they have this dressing. It's really hard to find. Well, we keep hitting all the red lights. As soon as these cars lit up, I can go. Let's go. Now we have made it to Publix. Here's Publix. Okay, I wrote up my grocery list for Publix. Yes, I found the vegan mayonnaise my son can eat. And it's even on sale. $2 off with the coupon. Ooh, even better. Now we're talking. And I found the coupons I hope they have what I need. I am all about saving, not sure about you. Let's go to the produce and find some onions. We've got the onion we need, and now we have our celery that we need. Well, shoot, I forgot what aisle the pasta is in. Well, of course, aisle 2. And there is the pasta. Oh, look, Burla pasta's on sale. Buy one, get one free. I did not find the exact one I was looking for with the rings, but I did find these. He can eat no eggs, no dairy. I'm going to buy 2 of these. Buy one, get one free. Can't beat that, right? More ways to save. I'm loving this trip. We got the celery, onion, pasta, and mayonnaise. We got everything we needed. It's time to check out. Drum roll, please. Let's see how much money we saved. And we saved $6.89. All of our groceries for $14 with sales. Another red light as we're going back home to make this delicious pasta salad. I can't wait to make it. I just want to get home and make it. But it's okay. We'll get there safely. But I want to make it. I can taste it. celery, noodles, ooh, mayonnaise, and I think I might add some relish. I like relish in my salads. Oh, yep. A little bit of onion. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I can't wait to get home and cook. Oh man. Turn green, please. So I'm back home with what I need. I've got my chicken cooking. I get ready to make my noodles. And I have things here prepped to get started. I'm going to add some carrots. So I cleaned off my celery. And we need 3 stalks. I need 1 more. Get 1 more of these out. I'll wash it. So we need 3 stalks, thinly sliced. Cut off the bad parts on the top. Okay, I like bite size. We're almost done cutting the celery up, just a little bit left, and my water is about to boil. Okay, all of our celery is cut up, and our water is boiling. Let's add the pasta. So I only need a medium-sized onion, but mine's very large, so we're just going to make it a little bit smaller, of course. And the onion is just about done. Onion is cut up and chopped. Our pasta's done. Now I'm going to drain it. I can't see. It's a little foggy. The main thing I don't like about cooking is to clean up the mess afterwards. I don't like cleaning. I have to do some dishes now. Pasta's done cooling off, and I put the chicken in the refrigerator to cool off so I can shred it. So I got the dishes done. Now to make another mess of dishes. So my chicken is all cooled off. My noodles are cooled off pretty much. Now I'm going to combine everything. I'm going to shred up my chicken here, pull it apart. If it wasn't so hot, I would just grab it by hand, both my hands, and just tear it apart. A little warm still, but not too bad. That's how much it measures out to be. Okay, so I have all the chicken shredded. Now we're just going to combine it all together. Put it in a big bowl and just see how much leftovers we have. So we got 3 celery sticks all cut up. Put our chicken in. We have extra pasta, I know for sure. Only calls for 8 ounces, and this is 12 ounces. The mayonnaise calls for 1 1/2 calls for 1 to 1 1/2 cups of mayo, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need the full 1 1/2 to 2. Ooh, this looks really good, and it smells delicious. Does that look good? You see it? It's a very easy recipe, and I did boil the chicken to cook it faster. My son is looking forward to this meal. Okay, we're gonna taste it and see how it is. See if it needs anything more mayo or anything else. Yeah, a little more mayo. Oh, that's good. Okay, so I added more mayo and more onions, and I'm going to add some shredded carrots. Yeah. Okay, let's taste this again. So we're gonna taste this salad again. Let's taste it. Ooh, that's really good. That is so good. It'll taste better even when it's cold. It'll bring out the flavors when it's cold. Don't tell anybody. I'm gonna hide this one. So I was cleaning up, and I forgot to add a couple of things with the ingredients, the recipe. Parsley, it asks for fresh parsley, but I don't have any fresh. So it's 1/4 cup of parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. So I added that, and I'm just mixing it up. Look at that. Looks delicious, doesn't it? I can't wait to taste it again. The parsley really brings out some extra color and flavoring. Okay. Ooh. I think I need to add a little bit more mayo too. Or if I taste it again. Okay. Perfect. The parsley brings out some flavor and wow. And I dropped it. Oh well. Yeah. Delicious. So good. So I got some of the chicken salad for my husband to try. Let's see what he thinks.
This sure does look good.
What you think?
It's very good. You did a good job.
I added some extra carrots in there to give it some more flavor.
It's creamy. Very flavorful.
So I guess this recipe's a keeper. It's very easy. Just a few simple recipes. It made all this. This is pretty full. Then I had some extras that I stuck in the container in the refrigerator. Alright folks, that's a wrap of this video. Let me know what you think of this personal video down below. Leave me a comment. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and ring the bell for notifications. Lets me know you care and you're watching. And by all means, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey everybody. Hello, hello, hello. I wanted to say thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me. I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you like what you see, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, lets me know you care. And by all means, subscribe to my video. Mickey and I say, thank you very much. Oh boy, thanks for subscribing, he says. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Love all my viewers. See you in the next video.